Hello and welcome to Luke Dreamhood's vlog. 52 ways to get rich or famous and other life hacks. Part 20. Vimeo Friday.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, today I would like to talk about the houses, the mansions that Mr. Roman Abramovich owns. I'm not sure about a few of them. It seems that he has some homes in Moscow. He has some musea as well in St. Petersburg, and there are some houses as well, but I don't know much about them. I know about a castle in France. It's Château de la Crue in the Côte d'Azur. And it was a place that he rebuilt it as well. He made a pool on the roof and it looks very lavish and beautiful. Even some kings lived there, so it's really kind of a royal lifestyle. I don't know how much he uses the castle because I've seen that he uses some firms that are doing maintenance, and that's what you see with his range in Aspen as well. He owns a range in Aspen, Colorado, and maybe one more because I haven't found any pictures of it, but the range in Aspen is very nice. It's a modern looking building and it is self-sufficient as well. And so it has some it uses thermo, it's the heat from the ground, and they use it to heat the pool and to heat the house in the winter and even keep it cool in the summer. So it's a very nice place, and it costed about 18 million, but it seems he paid more for it. I'm never sure about how much he paid for all his houses, but I know that he spends a lot of money, and he was working on a home in London as well, and that was he was buying some of the apartments next together, but then he stopped and he sold them as well because he could buy the Russian embassy on Kensington Palace Garden, which he bought for about 125 million, and he is still building. It's gonna be bigger, it's gonna have a cellar and a new pool. It looks very nice, and it's in a special place where there's the castle from the royalties as well. So, but he has another house as well, and that's the Caribbean Retreat in St. Bart's. There are 4 kind of Balian apartments and a pool and a private beach. So you can tell that he has some nice homes. There are some 3-story penthouses, and that was on a new Chelsea waterfront tower. He bought it for $30 million. It's a 3-story penthouse, nice. It's not completely ready yet, so I have no clue where Roman Abramovich will live or lives. But I know that he had some problems with, at the time when there were some problems with the Russians and the British government, and it was, he couldn't get a permit to live there. So what he did, he took the Israeli citizenship because his parents were Israeli, so he could get the citizenship, and then he even bought a hotel, about a 70 million Farsana hotel in Tel Aviv, and there that's how he got his permit in England as well, because when you are a citizen from Israel you can get to London or England for sure, And that's how Mr. Roman Abramovich, I called him the rascal billionaire, but he has some keen solutions for problems. When there are problems, then he uses very intuitive and very smart solutions like this one. It's not about the money, it's about how you can get the permit that you need. And it seems because he owns the Chelsea football team, he has to be in London much. And like I said, I don't know where he is living. He was starting to buy some property in the United States. I told you about the range in Aspen. He probably only use it in the winter when he wants to go skiing with his children. But he was trying to get a mansion in New York as well, at the Upper East Side, and he was buying number 11 and number 13 and number 15 and even number 9, and he wanted to create one big mansion, but because of the divorce with his latest wife, they had a settlement, so she lives there now, and she is renovating it as well. She bought it for about $120 million and is renovating it with a pool and a spa, so she can live there with his children. So when you have a lot of money, you can own a lot of properties, and Roman, as we have seen, likes to spend his money well, and those are investments as well. When I look at all those houses, I've seen a program on YouTube where they told that billionaires don't really live in the houses they own, only for a few days. So I told you I'm not sure where Roman Abramovich lives. He probably travels a lot, but that's the lifestyle you can afford when you are a billionaire. I thought it was really interesting to see how he made his money and how he is spending it. So tomorrow on Facebook, tomorrow on TikTok Saturday, I really don't know what I'm gonna do, but I see you too on Sunday on Twitch Sunday, where you can see all the episodes, the latest one of 52 Ways to Get Rich or Famous and Other Life Hacks part 20. And like I told you, it will be the last one, and I'm gonna do something else or try something else. See you tomorrow, TikTok Saturday. Bye.